Here we have a 55 Bel Air in a very period correct color. This turquoise and white is very popular. Sometimes you would see the off-white too, like an oyster white. They usually had like this, the turquoise, or like it's an aqua, I guess you call it an aqua, light yellow, red, or the red was, but I mean the ones that are a little different were like this aqua and like the peach color, sort of like a. They had a lot of nice colors, man. Cars right before the mid 50s and the early 50s, they were very bland, and it was like the mid 50s they started really, putting a lot of pizzazz in them, a lot more chrome trim, two-tone and everything, and then later, they get you brainwashed telling you this is like the no good and all this kind of crap until you get a plastic foreign car because this is like, gaudy chrome, you know what I mean? They brainwash people with marketing, but you actually think about it, this thing's a work of art. And of course you got the little V8 tags in the back there. So I'm surprised. I mean, there's not a lot of people out here today, man. But it's like some of the cars that are out here, I've never seen them here, which is amazing. And you look at the hubcap. You get your little Chevy emblems going all the way around there. That's an original style hubcap. And you got your bow tie right there, the Bel Air. Bel Air was the top of the line. Everybody thinks everything's a Bel Air. It's got the fender skirts on it. So, most people call, when they see a 55, 6 or 7, they would say it's a Bel Air, but it might not be a Bel Air. Bel Air was the top of the line. Of course, you got to have the fuzzy dice. I don't know if you can see in there that good. But it's like, how the dash is repeated over here. Today they take that out and say, oh, you don't have to put that, just put an emblem there, it's cheaper. And you figure, like, with all the computers they got and robots making cars today, you think, why can't they make something like this today, I mean, back then they were doing so much more of the steps in a factory by hand. And they still were able to make a car affordable enough for the average person.